It's a rainy day. It's 7:10.
Yeah.
I haven't filmed anything today. I worked and then I took a nap. And I slept all day.
You grumpied a little bit.
I did not grumpy.
You did grumpy.
My hair looks terrible.
You grumpied when I was trying to teach you how to use the MIDI stuff.
I was tired.
Yeah.
Oh, so anyway, I'm disappointed in myself because I've only made 2 videos this week.
Why is that?
Because I've been tired and I've been busy and I'm a very busy person.
No, you said video was hard.
It is hard.
Don't look hard. You're sitting there just holding the camera.
It's hard to remember to bring it out and do stuff with it. It's hard to do stuff and record it.
I told you to get a GoPro.
And put it on my head.
We're off to get the honey red.
Yeah, I'm going to Food Line to see if they have Ezekiel bread.
Oh, you said they did.
They have Ezekiel cereal, so they ought to have Ezekiel bread. Drive. It's the rain's fault. It makes me sleepy.
First day it's rained in a while.
And I can't function. Yeah, this is the first day it's rained in a while. What was I thinking? Yeah, see the Ezekiel 4-9 bread, cereal right there. They have all kinds of pastas and stuff. Ezekiel 4-9 pastas. I don't see any wraps. That one's probably better.
This one looks like it's got more stuff in it.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Taco night. Jitterbug, come here. It's all better. That's about it. Watching American Idol. And probably just watch YouTube videos the rest of the night.